Well, good afternoon. About 1:20 p.m. on August 29th, 2024, Thursday. Hope everybody's having a good day. Well, been taking... excuse me. Just got through eating. Thought it was going to be good. All beef hot dogs, uncured. Yeah. They don't taste that good. I don't know why. I've had others that were twice as good for half the price. I won't be buying those ever again. Yeah. Tell you honestly, I like the little 99-cent package of hot dogs from the store more than I like them. So sometimes you just run across a dud. It is what it is. But I had me some chili dogs. And yeah, the hot dog part of it was not good. And yeah, got a little indigestion going on. Well, I got up to 153 yesterday for a bit, but lost someone overnight. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. Watched a few vids while it was dark. Tried to get some things going, but lawnmower didn't want to start this morning. And when I finally got it started, it didn't want to stay started. So did a bit of cleaning on the thing, and now I can get it to start and stay running, but it was already hot out there, so I gave up on it. It is what it is. Usually I don't have a problem with that one. It's been a real good mower. I think I got bad gas, really. I used it to clean, throw it out. Wouldn't have been a good idea to be walking by with a match at that point. Probably have blowed us all up. But yeah, got it all emptied out and new gas in it, so, and it's running good now. But that's... Hopefully it won't rain too much tonight and I can get a little done tomorrow. We'll see. Anyway, taking seeming to be everybody is pumping high dollar places over there in the Philippines. You know, telling you can't live. Here's my $500 house budget. Yeah. Paying $500 for a house in the Philippines. Sorry, I think you're stupid. The cost of living is being distorted because of folks going over there and building these things, driving the prices up because they think they can make a big profit on it. So they're driving the prices up, and that gets the locals to trying to drive the price up, and then yeah, that's why you got all those high dollar houses sitting over there empty, renting for way more than what it's actually worth. And it's because some American or foreigner will come over there and throw money at, yeah, idiots throwing money away. It's a box with a bed, a TV, a shower, and a toilet, and a stove, kitchen. It's a box. And you're going to go spend thousands and thousands of pesos. I don't get it. But then there's other guys over there, that expensive expat uh, doing it right. Go over there, lease something, remodel it, make it better, and at the end of your lease, I mean, he's doing $36 for a 2-bedroom place, putting another $15, $20 a month into it, and so his rent's basically $50 a month. But some people want to go throw large dollars at, oh yeah, get robbed. That's the scam. I just don't get it. Don't get me wrong, I built houses for a long time, and I know things cost money to build. But yeah, comparing to the price of what it actually costs to build and the price they're asking for them, not even near reality. Just saying. Somebody over there is smoking too much of something they shouldn't be smoking, and they need to walk away from the pipe. Just saying. I don't know. Saw a few things that irritated me today. And somebody had called up and asked me, how is Camilla going to win this? Because apparently she heard one of the idiot channels on TV talking about Kamala Harris has a couple point lead over Trump. Yeah, right. I told her to walk away from the insanity of the idiot box. It just is what it is, and they're stealing things. And that's the only way the Democrats are going to win, is if they steal it again. Quite honestly, that mess starts. I'm leaving here, going to go to the Philippines, and quite honestly, short of Texas seceding, I don't want to come back here. Because I'm tired of the rest of this mess. Just saying. It's too big of a mess. It don't need to be this way, but people are going crazy, doing stupid stuff, and thinking that that's normal. I think I've said once before, that with all these folks running around pretending to be other things. It ain't. That's just your sickness. I'm not required to bolster your insanity, aid and abet in it, or give a flying Fruit Loop about it. That's your problem. It's a mental insanity between your ears. So guess what? Not my problem to deal with your stupidity. And if a guy comes up and says I'm a girl, no, you're a guy. I'm not going to lie to you. I got at least that much decency in me. But hey, the Philippines has lady boys and they claim to be boys. I can deal with that. They're being honest. Yeah, they're not pretending to, well, maybe they are pretending to be women, but they're not trying to lie to you saying that they are. They're admitting up front that they got a pole. So guess what? There you go. But these idiots coming over here that are here in America thinking that I have to, yeah. Stupidity. I don't have to do a damn thing for you. Everything that you do is you, and it's your problem. It is your time and energy to take and do it. And no, I don't have any responsibility to make you feel good. Period. Your problems. Yeah. Sorry, I got a little off onto the side there. Anyway, I've been Still a bit off on my dad's guns, getting rid of them. A lot of memories tied up in that. It's kind of like with this shirt. Okay? My dad used to throw darts. I've had this shirt from him for, oh God, he passed 20 years ago. So I've had it for about 20 years. And I guess it was about 3-4 months ago I was doing something and I found his darts. I have my dad's darts. I don't know. I might have to try to take up darts. I probably won't be any good at it, but especially with these eyes. Yeah. But I get them fixed. I might have to try to go and throw darts. See if I can actually see the dartboard. Right now, I'm not too sure I'd be able to hit it. Well, maybe if I close one eye. Yeah. Use my right eye. But even it's getting weak. My left one's gone. I really need to get the cataract surgery done on it. But yes. Oh, much better. But yeah, all the things that all these things that I'm picking up and moving and getting rid of have a lot to do with, my dad's stuff, because I inherited it when he passed. And yeah, I've opened up a can of worms there. Getting real nostalgic and wandering through memory lane. Well, can't really say I'm wandering because, I'm more or less sitting there thinking and remembering. I draw up on a thought and, look at something and I stop. I really need to stop actually paying attention and just start shoveling. I don't know. It is what it is. But I seem to be getting things taken care of. Slowly but surely. And that's a good thing. I do, like I say, I have a lot of memories I'm dealing with here. It's kind of like with this table here. This dresser and the mirror that's on it. My dad inherited it from my grandmother, and it was donated to Dad when he got married, and now I've got it. Yeah. It is an antique. It's in half-assed decent shape. I don't know. Part of me says I need to go find an antique shop, ask them how much they want to give me for it. Let them do a rehab on it. Nothing else. I know the mirror is worth something. That's one of those beveled edges, and it's as old as all get out. So, yeah. It is a nice mirror. Anyway, yeah. Running across those kind of thoughts. Well, I hope everybody's having a good day. I didn't get as much done today as I wanted to, but hey, life goes on. Bahalana or something like that. Bahalana. Probably tore that up. If you know what I was actually trying to say, please make a note on there. I don't know. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. Hey, I hope everybody's having a blessed day. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.